Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you on how to change your Instagram profile picture without changing your Facebook profile picture at the same time. So the thing that you need to do first is to open your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, now click on settings and privacy. From here, you can scroll down and look for the sharing and remixes option, that one. And then scroll down and click on the see apps under the share story to Facebook. Okay, click on Facebook. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Now click on accounts under the account center. So as you can see here, your Facebook account is connected to your Instagram account. So in order to disconnect the two, you just have to click on the remove option here, and then click on the remove account option, that one, and then click on continue. So right after clicking on continue, your Facebook account and Instagram account will be disconnected. So that's how you can change your profile picture without changing the other one. And that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.